Good day, everybody. Welcome. I am doing a video on how to use Tithely. So let's go. I set up a PDF to show you how to use the Tithely website or app. So if you need assistance, please follow the steps in order. Thank you very much. And if you need further help, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you. So, in order to use this app, you should use a internet browser like Chrome or Safari. If you're using a computer, you can use Internet Explorer or Chrome or Opera. Okay. So when you want to go and look for the website, you want to type Tithely. It's on the left there in yellow, in that space where it says search or type URL. You want to type the entire word. When you do it, when you type the whole word, you want to select that first option that's there. All right. So that's how it will be, and this is where you will get to. When you first come to the website, you want to go to sign up free. And when you go to sign up free, you definitely want to go to give to church. If you go to church sign up, you will be signing up as an administrative person from a ministry. And if you are not that, you might have a little trouble. So you definitely want to choose give to church. After that, you want to go to Give Online. And then you want to make sure, this is an extremely important step. You want to make sure that your locations is on. Please, you must make sure your location is on. If you have trouble with your location being on and staying on, please contact me and let me know. I can help you. Okay, so you want to select create an account unless you already have an account. If you already have an account, you can go right ahead and log in. All right, when you create an account, you must fill out the entire form. Please make sure to write down all of this information somewhere where you can access it, because you will need it the next time you log in. You'll need the password, the username, and the PIN number. You will need the PIN number the next time you log in. Okay, so you see, this is how it should look with your information. Okay, and there you would use your PIN number that you just created. And here is where the locations is very important. It's very important that you set your locations to on or okay, because you're looking for the name of the church. So when you type the name of the church, you see how it says Brooklyn there? It will not search for something that's in Brooklyn if you do not put your locations on. It's going to search for churches in your area when your location is on. It won't do that if your location is not on. Okay? So when your location is on and you type in just the first part of the word, the church name will pop up just like that. So you definitely want to look for the church based on the address. Our church is Cathedral of Hope for All People, 705 Bradford Street. Okay, so that is what you want to look for. Okay, so now you want to hit Give Now. Now you will have to add your debit card information or credit card information. To do so, you want to hit this plus sign over here on your right. Add in your information. I blacked out my information just because it's personal, safety reasons. But add in your information, your card number, your expiration date, the 3 digits on the back, and your zip code. You'll need all of that information. You want to hit OK, and then your screen will look like this after you've added your card information. Okay, and you've gone to the next screen. However much you would like to give. When you select, you see where it says tithe and offering. When you select the down arrow, there are various options for you to choose from. So if you weren't giving tithe and offering today, you wanted to give something else, there are various options in that drop-down menu. Okay, so you can make this however you like to make it, whether it's reoccurring, it's just for today, it's ongoing. It's up to you. Okay, now where it says cover fees, there are little bits of fees that have to be paid each time a transaction occurs. So it's like very small. So today I gave $10, and I said cover fees. So my $10 turned into $10.61. So that is an example of the small fees that I can help with. It gives you the option to select cover fees. If you don't want to choose that, it's fine. Okay, so this is what it would look like after you have put in your information. As you can see here, I gave $2 as an example, but then it says 37 cents. 37 cents was the addition for the fees. Each amount comes with different fees. So the more you give, how that goes. But I don't believe it's a lot. It isn't a lot. I gave a little more, I believe last week or so. It still wasn't a lot at all. Okay? All right. So after you finish and you're ready, you want to hit give. Where it says the circle at the bottom where it says give. Okay? And then you want to hit confirm. If you're sure, you want to hit OK. If you're not sure, you can hit cancel if there was a mistake or something. Okay. Here you can hit return home, or you can just close the web page. Okay. So thank you very much for coming to learn and spend time. Thank you for your giving. We appreciate you, and be blessed. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.